Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You guys don't mind this thing. This is mosquito net. So people slept well. I've been awake. I've actually wake up a long time ago now. The time now is 7:45 in the morning. I have actually wake up since morning. She's around after 6. So I was just watching some YouTube videos. So I'm just lying down. I'm still lying down, but I just decided to open up a new vlog. So you guys, my baby is still sleeping. He's over here, still sleeping. So you guys, I have a lot of things to do today. I have a lot of things to do today. So I just decided to let me see if I could be able to vlog. I know that I've never made a vlog in this my channel, so I just hopefully if people like what I'm going to do today. So I just want to go to our family house. We are actually it's a rented apartment. So as of last year my mom died. The video is in my YouTube channel. Just go up here, you will see the video of how I explained how everything happened, how we lost her. So so many things happened, so we had to evacuate the house. My brother is actually relocating, so my sister is just going to be staying with me. She's over there washing clothes. So we are kind of trying to remove some things. I went there on Saturday. We are doing a lot of cleanups of my mommy's properties. So my brother asked me to come and take the ones that I'll be needing. So you guys, I might go there today because I want to go and collect something. I want to go and bring bench, as in something that is just like a seat, and collect some random things there. I don't know if I could leave my baby with my sister, but I'll see how it goes. So you guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning once again. Let me go and wake my boy. Not this one lying down with me here, his brother. Let me go and wake him up. Maybe he didn't know that day has break. So let me just go and wake him up. I will see you guys when I'm done. Thank you. See my baby here, he's just crying. Maybe see his face. So let me go and wake his boy. See yourself. People should not mind this mosquito net. I will come and tie it up. Yeah. See us. We just wake up. Mwah. You guys, see us. I thought I actually left though. As I was about to leave the bed, this cry baby just wake up. This boy just wake up. He just wake up. He just wake up. He just wake up and start crying. He's just washing clothes. You guys, can you people just see how this main road is? Everywhere is just no movement. It's just sit at home today, so everywhere is just quiet. On a normal day, this main road is not like this. On a normal day. So if you live around Anambra State, you know that we are actually struggling to sit at home. So you guys, my house is actually opposite the main road. So that's the reason why I don't usually vlog, but let's see how today goes. Yeah. Say I'm coming. So you guys, let me come and do a mini morning routine.
They mad for you, I they crazy for you. They say I they do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you. Make it them the talk, let them get it them out. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, now your money. Moo 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 moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. I am a moo moo, make them call me moo moo. To love, your love makes me a happy moo. You dey do me bad, but I no care. Without your love, your sweet love, I go die. When we kiss, you touching me like this. Hey, Chima, you
Be able to come back. People should not mind this my boobs.
flavor.com. Bilonia, onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. Bilonia, onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, oji the cash. When you get the cash, you're gonna say life with the sweet everything in the yes sir, because you carry the naira. Makanoba maka poma najoka bilonia soka. Makanoba maka poma najoka bilonia soka. Bilonia onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why oji the cash. Bilonia onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why oji the cash. Bilonia onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why oji the cash. Shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why oji the cash. Bilonia onyeji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why oji the cash. Bilonia onyeji cash, shopping and
Hey, you guys, I'm back. I'm sorry I could not. People should not mind the sound of the fan. I'm just coming back now. As you can see, my baby is still at my back. We're just coming in. I'm just coming upstairs right now. So you guys, something happened. I could not vlog when we were going. There was an accident on my way going. So that interrupted everything. I'm sorry. But you guys, see my outfit. I had this brown or gray shirt. It's not an actually, it's just like a shirt polo with this skirt. That was what I was rocking with my flat slippers. So my baby, I just went to our family house as I told the people in the morning as I was going. Right now the time is currently after 3 in the afternoon. So I just went to bring this bag. This bag that is here is more like a lunch box, and this mosquito net, because this one that is tied up here has torn. So I just went to bring this mosquito net at our house. So we have a lot of mosquito nets at our family house. So I had show you guys, I just want to cook. At least let me eat. I didn't eat in the morning as I was going, but I went there, I drank tea at our house. All those things I could not vlog, and I did not intend to make this video so long. So that was the reason why I was not able to vlog. So you people should pardon me. Don't mind the mosquito nets and all that. Then I will do pap for my son. So you people, please, if you enjoy this, watching a day or a sit at home in my life, please give this video a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully I will see you all in my next video. For now, bye guys.
Forever lover, nobody, even my mother, nothing can stop our love. Ibolamo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, Ibolamo, Omalecha, 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 Achalugo, Omalecha, Achalugo, Omalecha, Metuganga, Omalecha, Wanyoma, Omalecha, Achalugo.